Guys, this is a police station, and this means fire alarm. Destroy the glass. Press here. That's the translation. So let's go further. Here's another 3 sounders, and here is a smoke sensor. Here's another pole station. Here's a loose ceiling thing. Here's a motion sensor. And there's a fire alarm here that looks specific when you compare them to the rest. Here's this alarm. The thing on here looks like kind of similar to the thing on the Yode alarm. And here are the megaphones that are used after a fire alarm activation. There's an alarm. Massor nya böcker. Lots of new books. Rushing. A teacher is with me, so I'm taking a little sprint ahead. And here's another smoke sensor. And okay, I cannot show on camera. So here's another alarm, and I don't know what that thing is. There's tons of smoke sensors. There's somebody in the corridor. Får jeg bruke Here's you see another alarm. And like 2 motion sensors and a smoke sensor. Here is a fire extinguisher. And let me show you something here. I don't know what that is, but it looks like a bell. And here's another alarm. Loud, really. Just see what's nothing here. That's the offset musical, but that was it.